Check, check. 1, 2, 1, 2. Everyone, are we live? We just, like always, check the stream real quick. Okay, sounds good, I think. All right, let's continue where we left off yesterday. I think I want to see if we can find something on GitHub regarding the labels. I just want to see. There's a graph visualizer. Playable samples. Not what I meant, but sure. Playable FB comp. Screen playable. Screen animation library for Unity timeline. Okay, let's try Unity 2. Maybe we'll find something. Unity UI playables. Puppet here. Unity animation engine. By playable AMP. Okay. Unity Gen. Animation engine. So here's an animation engine written. Okay. Animation mixer playable. Animation, current animation. Yeah, we already found something, but I don't know if this is. Create a clip label node for all animations. Wrap the clip and playable. Create an audio. Oh, I remember. I forgot to do this. Okay. Now. Okay, okay, okay. Okay. First animation current status. If status is pending. Edit status. Processing. Done. Done. Then he resets it. He removes it from the current animation list. Start next clip. If second animation, current status, pending, then he starts it. Okay, I like the use of the status, but I kind of want to do something similar but different. Check play animator. Isn't there already like a status thing? Let me go quick. Isn't there like a current clip done? Is done. There is an is done. Let me think real quick what we want to quick so I understand what's happening. Let's just play it once so I see it again. And I think now it switches the animation with What I want is to not loop them, to just play it once. Can't I? What happens if I set the clip to not looping? Would that work? Check. Can't you treat me nicely? It is looping. Let me try, because if that's the reason, right? Then I just want the clips. Export the clips. I want them to be exported in here. That might be already in there, I don't remember. Just want to see if that makes a difference or not. I don't need this player thing, I think. Wait, I think I used this. Yeah, I used this before I started creating the playables, right? I think that was the new animator. So don't delete it now. And use chop down, set off the loop time, use slash down, set off the loop time. Save real quick. Go to player, move the chop down here and move the slash down in here. If I click on this now, okay, save. And I think we have what we wanted. The only thing I now need to do is create a mixer for idling, and then add the phasing stuff, and then we should be able to do this. Like I'm clicking right now once only, and now I'm holding it, and it keeps playing. This is what I wanted. And I can like stop clicking, and it still finishes the animation, you know? That's what I wanted. No need for the looping shit. Okay, that's good. All right. I think I'm gonna save this and push it for now. That's the only issue. This now we needed to move the animations out of the thing, which is kind of ass. This basically means every time we change the ASPrite file, we will need to export the animation. That's the only issue I have with this. Maybe there's a way to make it not loopable through the importer. So we could try that just to see. How do I do that? I go back in here. I revert that, I think. Like this. Oh. Which ones are those? Yes. Okay, now let's see if we can maybe change it through code. Basically, here when we create the clip, where is it? Clip. Here. Animation clippable, right? Maybe we can change it in here. Set duration, set time. Doesn't look like. Maybe we can set curve, visualize, loop. Is looping. It's only in get, you cannot change it in here. Set animated property. Set output count. Describe descriptor is convertible. I guess then we'll just do it like this. It's kind of ass, but I'm satisfied with how it is. Maybe we will figure out how to do it later. Right? I need to, let me just think real quick. I could create a new class animation clip animation component playable or something like that. But it's kind of there's a create, but what happens if you wait a sec? Maybe that works. Let me just try something. Animation clip playable. And now I just want to see clip playable. Animation clip. That playable IK. No, I don't need any of these. Is done. Get animation clip. Clone. Field. None of this. Propagate set time. Nope. State. Can't set away, can't change input. Set speed, duration, set done. Even set done from outside is valid. Get time, get duration. Okay. Nothing there. Let me just, I'm gonna revert what I go back to the thing that I wanted to do, but I kind of want to what I wanted to do quick. Kind of wish it was possible to set it if it's supposed to loop or not. Where's this? That's the wrong one. This one. La, la, la. And I don't like that the animations are in twice. That's kind of annoying. Okay. I accidentally reverted back to where I was. Because I set the loop time. Slash. Yeah, that's exactly the way I want it to be. You know? Yeah. The only thing I don't like is the backpack moving for some reason in front of the character. It's kind of weird. I don't know why that happens. I mean, I'm using the same clip, so why is it freaking out? Why is it freaking out? Player? Is that the reason? Isn't there like a... Nah, remove that, right? Yeah. Right. All right. Let me just save this for now. Let me check if you can find something like this. Like a playables animation clip playable set loop. Hmm. Nope. Can't find anything on that topic. Hmm. All right, let me just try something. Well, not sure if you even need this. Maybe here, but I don't think we need this. Shouldn't this? Let me just try again if this works. Duration. But it's a double. And this is a float. I just want to see if this works. We do it. Oh, that's interesting. It plays it once and then it's gone. I'll move this over here. So, like, that's all it changed, right? Now it should work again. Yeah. Pop, pop, pop. I'm just worried about the backpack. I'm dying. Let me just check if I can find some different projects for this. Unity package default table. This. Mesh screen fader. Screen fade. It didn't update that. But this is probably not what I was expecting. Table. One-dimensional blend tree layer statement crossfade. Test playable. Playable graph. I don't like that. Animation player, scripts. Clip state. Why does he have like a clip thing? Oh. Also not what I was expecting. Okay, I found 2 more projects. Maybe there's something in there. Unity playable with state machine. Script. Playable state. Playable clip mixer state. Let's take a look. What does this have? This has an animation clip playable. It has a duration. Okay. Is complete. Update. Fade in, fade out. Sounds more like a screen crossfade state machine. Current state, next state. Change state. I don't like that. Okay, last one, and then stop looking at it. Stop trying to get inspiration. Asset. Scripts. Playables. Okay, so here's like an animation blend. He has a play animation controller. He has a custom playable single animation with several out. 5 years ago. Fuck. Check it out. Create. Output, mixer playable, set source playable. Those are 2. Pause clip 0. Pause clip 1. Just a boolean that he controls through the editor. I kind of want to do it like this too. But I think I'd rather mixer playable. Get input, and he pauses the input. Guess that's one way to do it. I guess you can do that too. That way you could attack and walk at the same time. And it would animate it correctly if the blend tree is 50-50. I think. Maybe you'll do it like this. Just this is just a... Okay. Okay, I see. All right, I'm gonna be right back. Give me a second. All right, I'm back. So that was very interesting. I will now, first of all, commit my changes. First thing, so a lot of new files in here. That's just the animations. We have the PlayQ sample. I think I can remove this one. This one was for me. I don't need that one anymore. Let me scripts here and delete that. PlayQ sample. Oop. Also, what I want to do, I don't want to change the farm scene. I want to copy. I'm gonna close this real quick. So coming test the one. I'll delete this one. Wait, before I delete it, let me just check real quick if I remember correctly. Yeah, we accidentally changed the 9x9. So instead, what I will do, I will just delete this one, copy this one, rename this one farm labels. Close. Open it. It should work, right? Yep. See? A little bit confused. This is not okay. That's not. That's good. Okay, controls. I had to change them up a little bit. I don't know why I had them as not Boolean, but I kind of wanted to test the attack, so there's that. I could remove it because I know it works, but for now I'll just keep it in here. I will not commit this. Maybe I should so it works. You can still remove it later, I guess. Let me do it like this. So I remember. Oh, this one used to look. Let's move this. That's what it looked like, and then I changed. What else? The only thing I changed, right? What did we? Oh no, we changed also this. This one used to look this. Right, let me delete it up here. We changed to this. We could even, I think, we could change it back. See what happens. No, if it works. Let me try that real quick. Because it might actually. I don't know. Interactor. Why is that up? It's just. Yeah. I'll just do it like this, and then we will comment this out. Everything here. Right. Fuck is this? Fuck, why did we... Did I remove that? I don't remember. Fuck me. Okay. I'm gonna skip this one. I guess. Good.
Prod F1 Shy says hi.
Hi there.
Prod F1 Shy says P.
Hi there, Fishy. How's it going? Trying to figure out how playables work. Cleaning up my code right
Prod
now.
F1 Shy says it's going ASF.
Nice, I guess.
Prod F1 Shy says lol.
Did I break the... Yes, I did. I forgot, fuck me. As usual.
Prod F1 Shy says where did you get the TTS thingy?
Oh.
Prod F1 Shy says sad face.
The TTS thingy, you can find it here. I'll post the link. It's a really basic one, but it's free.
Prod F1 Shy says him.
Alright.
Prod F1 Shy says might use it. I feel like it'll get annoying after a bit though.
Yeah, definitely. I kind of want to switch to a better one, but I didn't have the time to look into it yet. So I guess I use it for now to like find something better. Fix now. What's the problem here? Change attack input.
Prod F1 Shy says anyway. Prod F1 Shy says wid.
I am trying to fix, or not fix, but improve our animation. I can show you in a sec once all the errors are gone.
Prod F1 Shy says LMAO wid lol.
Wid? What does wid? What does WID mean?
Prod F1 Shy says when I said wid it said wid.
Oh, that's okay.
Prod F1 Shy says sad face.
Yeah, it did. But I understood. I saw what you wrote. Yeah, basically just improving animations so I can control it through a script instead of drawing it in the animator tree. One needs to be under here. And I'm just trying stuff out right now. I want to see this value. I think I need this, so I cannot go back. Okay. All right. I made some changes that I wanted to revert to see if it works still, you know, but I just noticed, no, I can't do that. I need this. So I'm gonna do like this instead. And I want to go back. Where was I here? Maybe I'll just do it like this for now. Give me a sec. Does this work? Nope, not here. This is not what I want to change. Okay. The controls. Controls are okay. Nope. Supposed to be like this. And I'm trying to keep markers what it looked like before. So once I merge it, I can revert it before I merge it, so the other people's branch, because we have more people on this project.
Prod F1 Shy says I'm losing brain cells greater than
changes.
sad face.
Yeah, I'm also losing brain cells. Yeah, this is, I'm gonna tell you, after work hours, doing stream while progging is kinda fucking my brain. I'm losing brain cells over this. I'm losing like where I was. This is correct. This is old. Okay. This is also correct. This is old. This one is fine. Go back to use 2.
Prod F1 Shy says I'm making.
What are you making?
Prod F1 Shy says a social media app in React Native and Expo.
That sounds interesting. Like a side project, hobby project.
Prod F1 Shy says and the chat feature. Prod F1 Shy says is killing me sad face.
I believe you. I can kind of understand what's happening or why it might give you headaches. I tried like creating a dialogue system once, which is kind of like, it's not really a chat feature, but you're talking with the computer basically, right? And that one, oof.
Prod F1 Shy says bro, Im's attempted to do SMTH with this damn TTS, but I'm not evil. P.
All right. I'm a trust you. Please don't abuse it. This is correct. This is correct. I feel like I already went over this. This is the control. Yes, input actions. What's the issue here? Handle player 2. Oh yeah, I changed. This is old part. God. Oh god. This new one. Okay, that should work. It does. Use tools still has an issue. Hey, Fishy, thanks for the follow. Appreciate it. This one was... Okay, found it.
Prod F1 Shy says, welcome, P.
You're welcome. Got it. Thanks, man. All right. No errors, I think. Let me see if it still works, if I broke it. Work. Okay. Right click once, right click twice. Holding right click. Okay, works.
Prod F1 Shy says, me still dying over the wood from earlier, sad face, help me.
Please don't die. I kinda, do you know this game, what's it called? Repo? You know Repo? There's like a built-in TTS thing in there. It sounds hilarious. I kinda wish I could use that. We had some fun moments playing it yesterday. Can write some weird stuff in there. The pronunciation is great. Okay, but I'm happy with this. Now I just need to add all the other animations. This is only the attack animation. But this is a good start. These are the animation files. This is the new play queue playable. Great. Let me just check. This is everything I needed to change.
Prod F1 Shy says, bro, your VTube character JS had a seizure.
Yeah, every time
Prod
I drink...
F1 Shy says, sad face.
Every time I drink from my cup, the camera loses visuals. So it seizures out, basically. Like this. Yeah. I don't even know how you're supposed to fix that.
Prod F1 Shy says, bro, JS broke his neck.
Yeah, he does.
Prod F1 Shy says, sad face.
He does that all the time. Why did I remove this? This shouldn't... Wait, if I put this in, does it still work? Should still work. I played around a lot because there was a bug that was killing me the past 3 days. And now it works. So I just commented out stuff that I thought might be breaking it, you know? And now I'm trying to go back and check everything. Correct. This is awesome. I'm gonna leave this one here. I don't think it's necessary. Let's just figure it out real quick. It is necessary. It is necessary. The necessary thing. Okay. Because I remember putting that there. It wasn't there before. And this is the attack down cue. Basically, the two animation clips I'm playing: the strike forward and the slash forward. Or strike down and slash down. Whatever you wanna, however you wanna see it. I think this is all okay. I'll put this one as okay too. Here we added a new boolean. I think this is... I'll leave it there. I will remove this line. This is not necessary. And just start it. This one could be removed, which is great. And I added this one in here instead. Okay, also fine. Why did the A sprite meta change? Barrel, I'll take it. Interactor. Here. Oh yeah, we just commented out here. Okay. It's the scene. I don't want this one. I want to revert the changes here. Roll back. Because this is a scene that another friend of mine is working on. I don't want to accidentally introduce new issues so he can't work on his scene anymore. No? In the labels, it still works. Let me go into his scene real quick. It might be broken, his scene, but I'm not sure. Did it load? Yes. Okay. This is the old animation. Ignore the backpack that is in front of him right now. This is because I'm using a weird player animator script right now. Maybe I can remove this. I just deactivate it. Does it work then? Check. If I use the is per player characters player this one, maybe then it works. No. Okay. Never mind. It was this one, I think. Yeah, okay. Ignore the backpack for now. It's just a weird issue I have right now because I introduced the playables. And basically for directions right now, right, I can walk up, down, left, right. I cannot idle up, down, or left or right. I need to introduce that. I have not added it yet. I can run left, right, up. I can roll down. Oh, left, right. I think it. And up. Ignore that running or that forward speed. It's a feature we added so we can pass the time real quick. If I press it twice, it skips a day. That's it, I think. Yeah. And we have this like visual effect, but we didn't have an actual animation, so I was trying to edit. And while I was trying to edit, I wanted to test out the playable system, and that's the whole reason that I'm doing this right now. Because the playable system is supposed to be better than the built-in animation system from Unity. And I think it is, but it's also more complicated. And you need to put in way more time so it works. I can show you like a little script. God, wait. Let me just commit this first and then I'll show you. I think that's it. Commit message add attack animation as playable. Commit and push. Wait, cancel. Let me leave the scene just to make sure that I didn't change something again. Playables, don't save. Let me see. And it looks okay. Yeah, commit and push. Now it wants to push. I don't know why it shows me that window. I don't need that one. And pushing. It is pushing. Come on. Sometimes I wonder what's happening here. Why does it take so long? Okay. I don't want to create a metric. Done. All right. The script. Playables. You basically build a wrapper around an already included animation system of Unity. For example, there are animation clips, there are animation mixers. These are basically blend trees. And for the playable API to be usable, you need to wrap these as playables. You usually do that. Let me show you. Where is the clip? I'm gonna go in here and initialize like this. You can just say animation clippable, clip playable create, and then you give it an animation clip that you want to create as a playable, and it will return it as a playable. And then you can change it in the script while it's running, basically. And then you don't need these animators anymore. Where are they? Like this one, maybe this one. Okay, this is a bad example. Give me a sec. Go to the old one, like this. You don't need to have logic in here. You can have just a script that does it for you, and always will do what it's supposed to do. And you can make smoother transitions and stuff like that. This is kind of annoying because you need to set up these positions and stuff. It's a little bit... I'd rather have like a script that just says if else and runs the animations, and that's what I'm trying to do here. You could probably also just create a default Unity script and then just call states of the animator. But I think that would be still too unflexible. At least that's what I read on the internet. So maybe I'm wrong there, but Okay, let me go back. So we have the player animator. We can now play an attack animator. Show you again real quick. Also for me, so I remind myself what yeah, what it looks like and what I need to do next. Oh, both that happening. That didn't do that before. I guess I know why. Why is the... Wait a sec. Okay, now it's... For some reason, it auto-selected the item. Okay. So basically, this is just attacking, right? When I hold right click, he keeps attacking. What I want to add next is an idle animation. So it reverts back to the idle animation once I stop pressing right click. Because right now it just goes back into nothingness, right? It just stops playing. Kind of ass. And I think that will be the first step. And then we can add running, rolling, stuff like that. Yeah. So let's do that next. I will need a new mixer, I think. Or maybe not. I think. We have a mixer here. And right now, it sets the output of the attack queuable to 1. And I think the way to do this is create a new mixer. Set that mixer up as a 8-directional or 4-directional. Let me just check what this looks like. Is there maybe a 4-directional, what are they called? Animation mixer playable? I find a lot of things, but nothing with playable. That's normal animation mixer playable. Here's a... I don't think... Create. I mean, this is just the default one. Yeah. I need like a mixer with 4 directions, and if there doesn't exist one, then I have to create one, basically. In blend space, Unreal Engine. Okay. Animancer. Yeah, Animancer has these, I know that. Animancer costs money. Oh, you can even create out of 4. Oh, that's cool. Directional animation set. That's huge. Look at that shit. Up, down, left, right. I wish I could do that. Let me just check something real quick before I want to see how much, like, there's like a free and a commercial. I just see Megamin Lite and Pro. This is what I want to know. You can use Lite basically for free, I think. The question is, can I use directional? No? Blending. Doesn't allow you to specify custom fading. You can try out any value, but it will only use the default value in the runtime. Okay. Multiple animator controls. Animation layers. Blend trees. Yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Blending. Finite state mesh. Let me just check quick. Light. Just easy weighting, smooth nutrition. Trophy. Huh? Mechanism equals pain. I mean, I have the same with the playables. Playables also means pain. And this is the one that I want. I want like a animation set. It gives a vector direction. And with the direction, it can decide which one to play, basically. Wait, that's an A-directional one, right? Yeah, it is. The same one, just down left. Oh yeah, I see. All right. I could try and make one, I guess. Because I don't see that the Animancer, Unity Animancer, light directional animation. I don't think they're included in the light version. Or are they? From selection, usage, snapping. Oh wait. So I could technically take a look at it. Pooh, do I want that? And I want to take a look at it, like a peek. But I don't want to add it to... We'll create a new branch real quick, I think. Let's go back to main. Check out. I'll pull it real quick. And then we will introduce the Animancer. And I just want to peek into it and see if I maybe can get some inspiration of the directional set. Yeah. Fast forward, please. Rebase error. Oh, I don't like package manager setting. Why is there? I didn't do it. Okay, wait. Can I just do rollback? Does that work? And then that works. Okay. And then we update the project. Patching. Okay. Let me just close off this shit. All right. And I'll leave this safe so it's... Is it still in here? No? All right. I'm gonna create a new branch. And I need to check out how to edit. Oh wait, it was right. See it, it's here. Okay. Download. Yes. Get to my... All right. A second. I can't type in my password. Finally. Does this work? Yes, it does. Open up the package manager. Let's my assets and enter. I mean, is it imported? Packages? Wouldn't there be like a package? Or is it above assets, right? I don't see him. Oh. Oh yeah. Will be under packages, yes. What? That's why I made a new branch so I can remove that later. I don't want this in my project right now. Just want to get some inspiration, maybe try out some stuff, and then move on. Animancer area. Editor. Script. GUI transition. Question is, where is the directional solo animancer component? Hybrid animancer. Data. String asset. No. Core. Weighted. Yes. Utilities. Animancer. Light. Nope. Nope. Animancer. Job. Bool. Float. Int. Property. Custom fade. Direction animations. Animation set 2, set 4, set 8. Clip transition. Directional set. Wait, what's the difference between directional animation set? Directional set. What's the difference? Direction. Left, right. Direction 2, direction 4. Up, right, down, left. Direction. Okay. So this is the right thing. Just don't wanna. I wanna peek at the direction set 4. Yo. Oh my. Okay, but it's not that much. I feel like there's way more blank space in here than actual code. It looks a little bit convoluted. Unity set of objects correspond to up, right, down, left. Okay, here's that. Direction set 4, direction set, fields and properties. Up. Direction up. Asset allow change up. Set 30. Alright. Up, right, left. Direction. Okay, you just give it a direction and it will return whatever is in there, right? Okay. And then here's the same thing for vector. This is basically what decides which animation is being played, I think. Yeah. So he takes direction X, the horizontal value. If it's bigger than 0, then it will go right. Okay. And then it checks if the Y is bigger than 0, then it goes up. And if it's not, it goes down. The same thing down here, just for left. Okay, that's fairly easy. We could make that. What else do we have here? Setting directions. Okay, that's the object associated with the specified direction. Okay. I wonder, can you wait? Give me a sec. This is the free version, right? I'm using the light version. Let me see if we can go in here. Let's go into animations. Characters was okay already. I don't have the animations here. Player. Let me just export this real quick so I can test it out. I want to export this character player 2.0. And then we will see if we can create a set. Wait, that's what I want to do. Assets, animations, characters, player 2.0. And I want an animation. I want the idle down, idle left, idle right, idle up, right click, create. Is there an Animancer? Directional animation set. 4 directions. Yo. Idle. Idle. It did not do what I wanted it to, but you can still do this, right? Idle left. Also, I did it wrong. Idle down. Idle up. Wait, that's wrong. Idle up. Idle right. Okay. Now we have this object, but I don't know what to do with it. So we have the, let me just check real quick. I'm trying to understand if this might be the way to do it. Animancer, directional, manual. I did that. Okay, and then you have this. Once you've created a set, you can assign animations. I did that. Usage. Using directional animation sets in the scripts is very easy. Declare a serialized field. All right. We want to do that right now. I don't know. I'm gonna create a new player character. Give me a sec. I can test it out, you know. Assets, scenes. I'm gonna copy this one. I'm name this Farm Animancer. Don't save. Just play real quick. And as you can see here, the backpack doesn't get fucked up. You know, this works as intended. All right, player. I kind of just want this in here without anything, just so I see how it works. So I will keep this one in here, but I will no, I'll keep it in there. I will change it differently. I will do it like, I will add this one to be blank for now. Does that work? Blank. I'm blind. I don't have a blank here, huh? How can I test it? I guess I could just copy this one. Wait a sec. I'm gonna copy it here. I'm gonna go in there. I'm gonna delete everything. I'm gonna call this blank. All right. And then we'll do it like this. I don't need this one. Back and say blank. So nothing should be animated, correct. And then we will add a script. Script animator. How is this with Animancer? Is that how he does it? I don't think so, no. No, he doesn't. Okay, let me test it real quick. So add component, script, new script, We will call this one directional animation set example. All right. All right. We just copy the tutorial thing in here. Can I copy paste this? Oh yeah. Very quick. So how do I import this? Import missing references file. Just like this? No, don't import it. Isn't there like a using Animentor dot should already understand this one. Why is it not in the directional animation set? Why is it not understanding this? I don't like. Why is it? That's not how you should write it. It should be lowercase. Also don't like this. Okay. This one's fucking me though. Cannot find declaration code. Why not? It's in there. Wasn't it in here like under packages? Animentor Lite? No. Direction. There it is. Which namespace? It does have the namespace animator. I wonder why it's not in here. It's just an example. What? Maybe it's because okay, I see. He made it like more generic. I see what's happening. Wait, why does it not? Huh. Why do you guess to make it? I see. Yes. Okay, no, I don't want this. Nice that this sometimes renames it and shows the old name, but I don't want that. Okay, 4. Okay. Get clip. Cannot resolve symbol. Did he change the? Yeah, he changed the naming. So the documentation there is old. Not a good sign, but I can deal with that for now. Okay. Let me see. Do I need anything else? I guess we can set the animation clips now. What's the Animentor? What do you do with the Animentor? Okay, let me just put in the direction set that I created earlier. I think it was in here. Right. Right, like this. That works. Animencer component. Do I need to add? No, he's using the old input system. Sample. Animation. Integration. Wait. Fix. Correction. Animencer. Oh. Layer anime. I'll go with blank. Is it no? Yes. Kinda want this. Okay, wait. Let me see if this works. If we can move this in. Nope. Interesting. Okay. Do that? No. Can I do that? Oh yeah. Okay, still not playing. Sure. Go. Let me check the layer script for some input. Player. Characters. Where's the scripts layer? This one. And in here we have the set float stuff. And I will copy this one over here. And I will copy the controls, but change it slightly. Not in here. In here. And then we will have the controls player. I think. And we will copy the Change move. I also don't need the facing right now. Change move input. Okay. That's the direction. I don't need this anymore because we set it through the listeners here. What else? That's how you set it, right? Direct. Get the sets animation corresponding to that direction. Okay, I think I understand. But this is kinda... I guess like this. I'm a little bit confused. Directional sprite samples demonstrate how to use. Sure. Directional. Okay, he's multiple. Nice. He also has facing in here. Nice. Get clip. Man, this is complicated stuff. Look at this. Walk speed, run speed. Yeah, this is basically what I want. Right? I feel my brain juice leaving me slowly. That sample. Left shift hold. And I just want to see the file. I think location, samples. So package, anime. I don't think there's any sample elements alive. Direction animation, redirect root mode. Animation is one. Like there is no runtime editor. Read temp. Then you just get in here. And I kind of just want the I want the script file, the complete. Click here to see the full direction. Ah, that's good. All right. So directional character. He has lots of direction animation sets. That's what I want. He has a facing vector. I don't know what this is. Sure. He sets the current animation set to idle. I'm gonna copy this. Try it out. See if it works. Oh, I'll need these. Second. This I will need. I don't need pink. Directional character. I'm gonna do it differently. Just move this. All right. Copy and everything. I think I'll need this. Movement. Maybe. Yeah, the movement input will need. That. I don't understand why is this happening. Is it an wait? Did he change it to be like a? Let me just put this to 4, right? Can I go in here? If we go in here, direction add scriptable object. Even using scriptable object, that's nice. So I'm guessing the directional animation set doesn't exist, but the directional setting. Yep. Still incorrect number of type parameters and reference. And the animation set he doesn't allow. Editor only, custom inspector for. Does it do like? Do we have to do it like that? I don't know. Right. For some reason he doesn't like it, so I will just do it like this. Okay. We have the movement in here, true. And we will have a current animation set. This is also 4. And we will have this time synchronizer. I don't know what it is or what it does, but it's in here now. We have an animation group. How do we add? Might be that the animation group is a pro feature. Yeah, it looks like it. Maybe I'll do it more easier. I'm gonna do it like this. I'll change this one. For now, I'll remove this. Why does play not work? Oh, because it doesn't exist. Also, this one I can. Okay, and then we can do it. I think that should almost be it. Get clip. Just get. Okay, what's of this one? Direction animation set for. What is? I need to take a look at the migration. Should be like a migration. Should be a migration documentation. Production features, user manual. Oh, features. Upgrade guide. Is there a directional? Oh, it doesn't look like there is. Interesting. Right. I don't see any comment on it's here. Okay, it's down there. I see. All right. Let me just keep on trying it out. So this should work now, kind of. We might need to set it up again. Give me a sec. Yep. So Animancer, we need the animations, we need the characters, layer 2, and we have an idle animation, and now we need a movement. Create a new directional set. This 4 direction, yes. Call it move or walk, maybe it doesn't really matter, but these are called moves, so just call them the same. Down, left, right, up. Okay, I saved it. And now we need to move the lock on this, and I will move here. Now we need to set the idle and move animation set in here. Animancer is supposed to be this one. Facing. Okay, that might be it already. Crazy. Works. Like, look, dude. Oh my god. This is so easy. And you can even see the fucking, look at this. And it's free. Everything I did there is free. I'm kinda down to do this. Look at it. Look at it. That's crazy, man. Animator controllers. What does this mean? Where's my animator controller? Is it just this one? I mean, I don't really need it if you know. What happens? Let me just try it out. What happens if you set this to none? Does it start? No. All right. What if I set this to none? Move it in here. Still works. And wait, it checked it loaded the other one. Animator is required in order to play animations. Click here to search one nearby. What if I don't want one? That's a little bit annoying. So it's not possible. Okay. Let me just add running as well. I mean, running is just making the speed go faster, but let me see. Change run input. This. One will be movement then, I guess. Interesting that it works this easy. Is running. Okay. I guess you can also dodging. Oh. Okay, you don't need this one. Okay. And then you have, I mean, S running is already set. Yeah. You don't need this. I wonder, I don't think this is the right thing, but I just want to see what happens. Oh. Because I feel like he just speeds up the animation. But that's also cool. Love it. Pro only feature use set speed. Elements allowed loves to try this out. Yeah, okay. Alright, alright. Let me see something. I don't really need this, right? What you would do is something like this is running else, or the other way around, whatever you want to, right? Kind of like this more like runs. We don't have any runs right now, but we'll edit. Runs. All right. Then we will create runs now. Fuck, this is so easy. Dude. I'm gonna say, but I think we should be using this. Just, I hope it's free. Let's see if it's free. Don't get me wrong, it's worth being paid, the value you get out of this. But is it worth being paid for 3 to 4 people? You know, that's what I'm getting at. I wanted to have run, right? Run. And I wanted to wait. Can you like let me check something real quick. Open. Find animation. What if I run? Run down. Run L. Run right. Run up. Save that. Go into the player. Move the run in here. Dude, so fucking easy, man. I hate how easy this is. I hate how easy this is. uh, uh, okay, let's do rolling next. Animator control. Why? I don't want to use animator controllers. I don't need an animator controller. Why is that a problem? Can I wait? I removed it. Missing animate. What happens if I press play? I see. Can you move one in? Because I feel like, what happens if you do it like this? Won't be able to play him. Is Animator Lite even possible? Trying to wait. Let me do the rolling thing. Let me do the rolling animation real quick. Roll. So create just to see how fast it is. I started at 2070, 2047. Animencer. Right. I'm blind. I was down there. Animencer. Direction animation set. 4 direction. Roll. Right. Then we move in the roll down. The roll L. The roll right. The roll up. Right. We save this. We go to our player. We go into our player script. I will add another directional animation set rolls. Right? And then we will add a is dodging. We do already have the is dodging. Idle, moving. Trying to understand right now. The rolling should be on top of everything. Basically, if is rolling, dodging, what I called it. I'll rename this real quick. Is rolling. Doesn't really matter, but if is rolling, then instead you play the rolls, and everything else is done afterwards, I think. Okay. And then row. Okay, okay, this is kind of fucked. Why is it not stopping? What the fuck was that? Okay, so the rolling is kind of. I think I know why. It looks fun, right? I think it's because of the setting of the values here. What is rolling is value, and it might never be set controlled start. It is a boolean. Is it on loop? Isn't it? Might be because it's on loop, but I'm not sure. On Dodge. Input value is press. What's the on run? Is there a on run? Build up here. Ran layer ran input value is press. Value is press. The same one. Yeah. Why is it looping? If I do it with, they're all looping, so that should be okay. You should. Is that why I needed a stopping thing? Let me check something. Keeps rolling forever. Why? Because it's on top, like. Why is it different here? I mean, I can go back to the way I did it with the coroutine, I guess. Let me just add this in real quick. Is rolling. Stop dodging. I'll copy it from. Hey. Boom. Use this one down there. Animator. Kind of want to do this different. If is rolling, I kind of want the. What's it called? He rolls. You get current or something? Is that possible?
Answer says Wazar.
Hater. I'm trying to make the dodging go next, but it's kinda. I think it is actually because I suck at programming. I think it. A second.
Answer says yadders, yadders, yadders.
Okay, all right. Where is it?
Answer says love you.
Love you too. You good? You I don't know. You sound high, dude. You don't usually say I love you. Good? Right, look at this one. Look at it.
Answer says my mood might be too good. I'll tone it down.
Oh, no. Come back. Look, see? I added these directional sets here and just pasted them in there in the character script. Show you real quick, or is it here? I just added a set for every animation that we have for every direction, basically. Idle, move, run, roll. Roll doesn't
Answer
work
says,
here.
oh, he stays facing that way.
Yeah, because I have an idle animation now with the Animancer thing, you know? And you also have a directional logic
Answer
in
says
here.
sick.
Yeah, that's sick. You have like a vector 2 facing, and it just uses this facing value for the idle and stuff. Where is it? Here, see this? Basically, you have a direction set here that you give him, and you tell him which clip you want, and you give him the direction he's facing. And that returns the clip, and you just play the clip. You know? Pretty easy with the Animancer thing. The only issue I'm having right now is this down here. You can only use it with the Pro version, and that's the one that costs money. I told you about. But it's kind of sick how fast you can click animations in there, you know? Like, you can also run all direction, you know? Walk in all direction. I tried to add rolling, but I fucked something up with my logic there. Back here. I was like, hey, if I roll, anything else shouldn't matter, right? It shouldn't matter if I'm running. It shouldn't matter if I'm walking or standing or whatever. So I was like, hey, I'll just put it in here. You know? But that broke it, because if I do that, show you real quick. Oh. If I do that, and I press roll, it just keeps rolling, you know? It keeps on rolling, baby. And that's why I was like, it's kind of weird.
Answer says they see me rolling.
Yeah, they see me roll. Yeah. Yep. But other than that, I'm very happy with the Animancer. Like, compared to playables, it's so easy to do stuff. Crazy. Basically, you just need to add a directional animation set every time you want to add a new feature, for example, rolling. Create a directional animation set of the clips that you have. Move them in the Unity editor into that serializable field. Use them in this update method, and you're done. You don't need to create complicated playables, add them to any mixers. You don't need to set the inputs on off. It just happens automatically. And the only thing that matters is this update script. Like, that's your blend tree, basically. I just don't know how to do the rolling now. Right now, it's kind of... I'll need to figure that out. I think it might be the correct way to use this, the elements. I think it would be way easier. Like, way easier. I mean, you see it, like, just the idling in the different directions. It instantly worked. I didn't need to do anything. I just moved the clips in there. You know? And I saw there were some examples for it. Quick examples. There is also one for pushing stuff, I think. You can also use it for 3D, you know? Where was it? Where was it? Animation job. Sprites. There, sprites. And then there's like I use this one right now, the basic version. Show you the script. What was it? Here. Right? You only had like an idle and a walk animation set. That's all you need, right? That's what I did, and I just added a couple of more to see running and rolling, basically. And then there is this more complicated one. And with that, you can also move objects, I think. This is what it sounded like. I couldn't test it. Yeah, he has like a walk, run, push. You know, it even has a push animation set for every direction. And the update looks like this: movement facing, update movement state. Even has like a movement state thing. Collider. So if he collides with something, it plays the push animation. That's at least how I understand it. Movement. You can make groups, apparently. I don't know how that works, but animation group movement. This is the animation group is a pro feature, so I didn't try it out yet. You know, I wanted to see like the basic. I wanted to see if we can use the light version, basically. Because there is like a free version and a pro version. But as far as I can tell, I think you can only use the pro version because it says you need an animation controller and the game doesn't, or the thing doesn't work without an animation controller. Let me show you. Is it showing something? No. And I was hoping that it wrote something, but it doesn't. Sometimes it writes it, sometimes it doesn't. The weight is also displayed here, see? The playable's weight. You know? Crazy. I also like that it shows the progress of the duration, basically, of the animation. What I wanted to say is if you remove the animator from here, right? It says it's required, right? And sometimes, I don't know why, sometimes it doesn't show the animator error. Sometimes it shows it. No? Kind of weird though. Let me just save this real quick and refresh the scene. Is it maybe because it wasn't in the scenes? Farm elements play? Why does it happen that way? Like, what's the reason that it sometimes complains that you cannot use this feature in light? A little bit confused. Let me try something real quick. Build setting. I'm gonna remove this real quick. Add open scene. Move it up. Hey. Can you like move it up? How do I yes. Okay. Build and run. Let me see if this works. Oh, I think we created a build folder every time, right? New folder. Build. Build. Like the folder. Currently creating it for Windows. I'd rather create it for WebGL, but I don't know if I set it up already. Need to get some tea. I will be there, by the way, soonish. Let me see. You guys already gathering? No? Okay, let me write everyone. Boop, 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 boop. Okay. That's kind of. Why does it do that? Why does it do that? It's not me though. It's like it has to do with the features. I'm pretty sure. All right. So I'm 100% sure. Let me remove this just in case. Just in case this is the issue. I'm kind of happy if we use that, I will be happy, man. Seems pretty good. I'm just, the only downside is it costs money. What the fuck? Why does it do that? That's weird. That's kind of weird. I don't know what's happening here, but yeah, there it says it. Animator controllers. Elements let Lucid to try out this feature, but using a runtime builds requires animation. This one can be disabled. Be shown in runtime builds. Disable unit. Hmm. Right, yeah. I think I am done with the Animencer testing. I think this might be the way to go.
Answer says so. Animencer is worth it, doc.
I think so. I actually think so. I mean, the way I feel about Playbits, right? Playbits is pretty good. It's kind of like writing your own engine in a way, right? But it takes a long time to get where Animencer is right now. You know, for me to build what Animencer gives me right away, it's going to take a long time. And then I'm either thinking it's either use Animencer or go back to the default Unity animation system. I don't think it's worth you know trying Playbits. I can show you what I did today, but it took me so long compared to this, you know. I I made progress, you know, I made progress, but still, it took so long. And I was like, hey, now that I know how it works in Playables, maybe I can take a look at Animancer and see how it works there. And it took me like 10 minutes to do way more than I did in Playables, man. And it's the same system underneath it, right? They use Playables underneath Animancer. Animancer is just the, let's say, developer-friendly engine above it, you know, like a wrapper on top of it. Let me just...
Answer says, then fudge it, Animancer it.
All right. First, let me just push this so I have this thing I can test it out later again, you know. Add basic directional of
Answer says it ain't gonna be the only thing we pay for probably.
Probably. Add basic for directional character. Controller. What will be the most work will be...
Answer says I gotta go recook my steak again. Damn ting raw.
No. Alright, have fun cooking your steak. Commit and push. Conversion file. Maybe I'll just keep it locally for 1,000 files. Because of the asset, I get it. I just don't want to put it in there right now, but maybe I should.
AJR44 says it's fucking raw.
Yep, that's what I thought. Also, where's the lamb sauce?
AJR44 says you idiot sandwich.
Yo, wait, did I get that? Give me a second. Let me just look something up real quick. How many of you are there now? It's just you right now. All right. I'm gonna join you soon. I just wanted to push. Does it push it if I go? I'm gonna push everything. Push everything. Add to VCS. Is that how you do it? And I wanted to check something. Yeah, okay, I will check afterwards. Because it said idiot sandwich. I found like an VTuber idiot sandwich file, but I don't know if I got it. So you can put like an overlay over your VTuber and it looks like you have a sandwich between you and two hands.
AJR44 says I love that song.
I love that song. I like that song too. I wouldn't say I love it, but I mean it is in my playlist, so I guess I do love it. I do love it. Ah. All right. Add Animancer assets. Commit and push. This is gonna take a while. 1,000 files. All right. While this is pushing, I'm gonna go ahead and stop the stream. Thanks for coming by. And